Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Tesla Model Y versus the Nissan GT-R. We'll explore how these two very different vehicles stack up against each other. One is an all-electric SUV, while the other is a legendary gasoline-powered sports car. Understanding their core differences will help you decide which vehicle best suits your lifestyle and driving desires. Let's dive into the details. When it comes to performance, both cars are incredibly fast, but in different ways. The GT-R, with its powerful gasoline engine, offers a visceral driving experience, often achieving 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 3 seconds. The Model Y performance, while an SUV, delivers impressive electric acceleration, reaching 60 miles per hour in about 3.5 seconds. Your preference for raw engine, sound versus silent. Instant torque will be key here. Practicality is where these two vehicles diverge significantly. The Model Y, as an SUV, provides ample space for up to 7 passengers and boasts over 76 cubic feet of cargo capacity with seats folded. This makes it highly versatile for families and daily errands. In contrast, the GT-R is a dedicated two-door, two-seat sports car, prioritizing driving dynamics over passenger or cargo room. It's built for exhilaration, not utility. Considering cost and ownership, the Model Y typically starts around $45,000, offering a more accessible entry point. The GT-R, a high-performance machine, usually begins at over $120,000. Beyond the purchase price, the electric Model Y benefits from lower fuel and maintenance expenses. The GT-R, with its specialized engine and components, will generally incur higher running costs, including premium fuel and more frequent, specialized servicing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.